You're not getting replies because your cold emails suck. I said it. They're too long, too dull, too safe. And worst of all, they sound like every other SDR out there. Today, I am giving you the remedy. 10 cold emails that actually work. Each one with a different angle, broken down step by step. No fluff, no theory. You'll walk away with emails you can steal, customize, and send today. Because if your emails aren't getting replies, you're not booking meetings. And if you're not booking meetings, you're not getting promoted. You're getting replaced. Let's fix that. Guys, my name is Neil. I'm your sales misfit coach. I have over a decade as a SaaS sales specialist with 5 years as a sales coach. And I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE quicker than they ever thought possible. Now, are you tired of fumbling for the right questions? You know pain discovery is key, but the what to ask is a mystery for most. Well, not anymore. I have curated my own personal top 50 battle-tested discovery questions designed for any sales situation to crack open opportunities and give you the best shot at booking that next meeting. Guys, this isn't just a list, it's the advantage that you need, and it's completely free. Stop guessing, start winning, download your exclusive list of 50 discovering questions right now by clicking the link below. Back to the video. Here's the problem, guys. Let's talk about the real reason you're getting ghosted. It's not that your product sucks. It's not that your buyers are too busy. It's that your email from subject line to sign off is forgettable. Here's what you're probably doing wrong. You're writing like a marketer, not a human being. You're asking for time instead of offering value. You're treating every email like it's your only chance to pitch and cramming way too much in. Think about your own inbox. How many emails do you delete without even opening them? Now imagine your prospect, VP of sales, CMO, head of marketing. They're getting hundreds a day. To get a reply, you have to earn it in the first sentence. Let me walk you through 10 cold emails that have been proven to work, and I'll break down why each one cuts through the noise. Number 1, the respectfully direct opener. Here's your subject line. Quick one, respect your time. Hey, I'll keep this super short. I help sales managers hit pipeline goals faster without hiring more SDRs. Not sure if that's on your radar, but worth a quick chat. Neil. Now, why does it work? It's short, guys, yeah? It shows respect and it positions a benefit without pushing a product. Look, buyers appreciate clarity, and this is direct without being that pushy, needy salesperson. But remember, the first reason of why it works is it's short. Email number 2, the mutual enemy approach. Subject, these damn no-shows. Hey, John, quick one. A lot of sales managers I speak with are dealing with no-show rates after book demos. We found a cheeky way to cut that by 47%. Want me to send over the template? Guys, why do you think this works? It opens with a relatable pain point. It's a pain point across every single business. Yeah. It also builds camaraderie by naming a mutual enemy. Doesn't ask for a call. It just offers help. Value add. Email number 3, the status raise frame. Leading teams are doing this, ... Hey, Sarah, I've noticed top performing RevOps leaders are shifting away from outdated method and adopting XYZ modern strategy. Curious if that's something you're exploring or totally off base. Why does it work? It taps into ego. Nobody wants to feel behind. It also creates fear of missing out. FOMO. Yeah, there's leading teams out there that are doing this already. And the third reason why it works, invites conversation, not conversion. Email number 4, the micro case study. Subject, doubled SQLs for XYZ. Hey, we worked with XYZ company and helped them double SQL output in 3 months. Would it be useful if I sent you a 2-minute breakdown? I love this email. Why? Because it shows proof without bragging. You're not bragging. You're basically saying, hey, we helped X, Y, and Z who I know you're aware of. Do you want me to send you a quick 2-minute breakdown. The 2-minute breakdown feels bite-sized and low commitment. Super important. Number 5, the self-aware SDR email, not another pitch. In brackets, I promise. Hey, John, look, I know your inbox is full of bad sales emails. I'm just hoping my honesty buys me 20 seconds to explain why I reached out. I help sales managers like you improve pipeline coverage using XYZ solution. Should I shut up or send more? Why does this work? Well, humility has a natural disarming effect on human beings, right? So we're using humility. It breaks the pattern. It's a pattern interrupt. It's not following the trend of other emails. And it ends with a light joke and a call to action that doesn't, again, feel too pushy. Number 6, this is a great one. The mini value drop. Subject, free 3-step script. Hey, James, I wrote a 3-step script that helped my client reduce ghosting after demos. Happy to send it over or stay out of your inbox. Up to you. Short, sharp, effective. You're offering something of value right away. You're lowering the pressure. Yeah, it's a super low pressure email, very short, very sharp, lets them feel in control. Hey, it's up to you. I'm happy to send it over or I can stay out of your inbox. You decide. Number 7, the hyper-specific compliment. That post on churn, ... Hey, Jenny, read your post on churn reduction and loved the bit about proactive onboarding. We built something similar into a tool that's reduced churn by 31%. Want to see how? Why do you think that one works? It's super relevant to them. Yeah. You've done your homework. They've put a post out and you're actually commenting on it via email. Ties your product to their existing thought leadership. Super, super important. And it makes it very personal. Great email, guys. I hope you're taking note. Email number 8, the show don't tell offer. Want to see how this works? Hey, Bob, rather than explain what we do, I'd rather show it. Would you be open to a quick 3-minute screen recording? Why it works. Curiosity kills the cat. It's a non-invasive offer. And it implies visual proof and saves their time. And you're respecting their boundaries here. You're not sending the video over straight away off the bat in the first email. You're asking for permission. Lowers their boundaries, lowers their defenses, and more likely to get a response like ping it over. Number 9, the referral without a name. Hope I'm not way off. Hey, Lucy. Someone in your team mentioned you might be the right person for this, but I might have totally misheard. Should I explain what this is? Creates curiosity again, right? Curiosity always kills the cat. Someone wants to know. They may or may not have mentioned my name. What is it in particular that they think they need to speak to me about? Yeah. Gives them an easy out as well. And it feels light. It's human. It's conversational. Again, we want to make conversations rather than marketing messages. We want to make it as conversational as possible on a human level. People still buy from people. Do not forget that, guys. And finally, email number 10, the value first follow-up. Subject, following up with value. The second bit, with value, is key here. Okay. Hey, Steve, following up, but not empty-handed. Here's a link to a cheat sheet we built for SDR teams to book more meetings in fewer touches. No pitch, just something useful. Curious if it resonates. This is a stellar email. Why? Because you're following up without sounding desperate. It adds new value instead of repeating yourself. Every touch point has to add value, but it has to be new value. And it opens a door for future conversation. Now, these emails look good on paper. They're different. But why do they actually work in the real world? I've seen brand new SDRs, reps who are weeks away from getting fired, use emails like this and turn things around fast. One SDR I trained used the mini drop value email and got 5 replies in one day, all because she stopped trying to sell and started to serve. That's why these emails work. Guys, some actionable takeaways for you. Here's what you need to do right now. Let's make sure you leave this video with clarity and fire. Pick 3 email styles that fit your tone. Personalize the first line like your job depends on it, because let's face it, it does. Focus on starting conversations, not closing deals via emails. Cold email isn't dead. It's just bloated with lazy reps who forgot to talk like a human. Now, here's the thing, guys and girls. Getting a reply is great, but if you fumble the objection, you lose the meeting. The one line that kills momentum more than any other. Let me think about it. In this next video, I'll show you how to flip that into a yes in real time with exact phrasing. Click here to watch. Let me think about it. Turn this into a close. Don't lose another meeting to hesitation. Go watch it now.